Hi everyone, my name's Michael and I'm from the library at the University of Newcastle. I'm going to talk about one of the first steps in writing any great essay, and that is reading the question. So in particular, a method of reading the question called topic analysis. Topic analysis is a methodical way of looking at your essay questions and of understanding what the question is really asking you to do. It will help you to identify the purpose of the essay and focus your attention on what is really important. This will help you to plan how you approach the essay and how you will do your research. And this is where the library comes in. So planning how you will do your research includes identifying what information you will need to find and the search terms that you will need to find it. There are three elements that you will be identifying in your topic analysis. The first is direction or instruction words, then concepts and keywords, and finally, qualifiers or limit words. We're going to look at these elements by analysing an example question. Critically analyse how traditional will theory is relevant to modern-day contract law. Firstly, instruction words. You are rarely asked to write everything that you know about a topic. You need to identify the instruction words so that you know how to approach the essay question and how to write about the content. Correctly identifying the instruction words ensures that you are clear about what the question is asking you to do. Examples of instruction words could be discuss, which means to give all sides of an argument and your own opinion, analyze, which means to identify the elements of an argument, text, issue, process, or event, and show how they are related. Or critically, and this can be added to any other terms, and it means to approach the task in a questioning way. Why is it like this? Remember, you should always work with your marking rubrics and the expectations of your lecturers too. So in the example, the instructions words would be critically analyze. The next section are the keywords. The keywords indicate the main concepts and the content of the essay question. These are the topics that you will research and write about. In a legal essay, you will need to keep an eye out for words that point to legal issues and also the area of law that will be considered. So the keywords for our example questions would be will theory and contract law. The third section is limit words. Limit words give you the scope of a question. They may limit the question to a particular time, for example, the 21st century, a geographic area, such as Australia, or a population, like casual employees. The question might also be limited to a particular legal jurisdiction. The limiting words may also designate the relationship between the keywords. For example, how does an area of law protect a certain population? In this case, protect is a term that limits the scope of the question. In the example question, the limit words would be traditional, as it is qualifying the keyword will theory, and modern day, as it is qualifying the keyword contract law. Relevant is also a limit word because it is defining the relationship between will theory and contract law that we need to look at. It is defining the scope of the question. Now we're going to start looking at search terms. When you are looking for information to answer an essay question, you need to do more than just pasting the question into Google or your library search bar. You need to choose search terms that are succinct and pinpoint the key concepts that you need to retrieve. And the keywords and the limits that you pull out of your question during the topic analysis are a really great starting point for looking for search terms. However, there may be other search terms that would retrieve useful information that do not appear in the question. Identifying synonyms and related search terms can add breadth to your searching. It can help you to pick up information that is about the same topic or concept, but may use different terminology. For example, if your question has the term youth, you could also search for adolescents or young people or teenagers. As you do your research and deepen your knowledge, it is important to pick out any terms that you come across that you can add to your search. This is where gaining a general understanding of the area of law by using things like textbooks and legal encyclopedias can be really useful. You should always be on the lookout for search terms and ways to refine or improve your searches as you move through the legal research process. For the example question, you may include search terms such as intention as a synonym for will, or duress as a related term. So this is topic analysis. It's a really handy tool or a way of thinking about assignment questions. I hope it helps with getting started with your essays. And as always, make use of the law subject resource guides on the library website. And if you need help with your research strategy or finding information, you can always ask the library.